Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a public profile in Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, whether you're on an iPhone or Android, the first step is to open up the Snapchat app here. Now that we're on here, at the top left, let's tap on our profile. And then we're going to tap on the gear icon at the top right here. And let's just scroll down because we're going to find a setting. It says see me in quick add. So let's tap on that and we're going to toggle this on so that automatically people can find you, subscribe to your profile, all of that stuff. So let's go back here after you've done that, go back again, and now you're on your profile. If you scroll down, you should see it somewhere on here. You can see mine is towards the bottom, create a public profile, and it says new. So it says show your name, build a public profile. This adds the subscribe button to your profile, and I'm going to hit get started and create. So it's free. Anybody can do this and basically sets up that public profile. If I scroll up, I can actually see it just by tapping on it here. You can see I have my name, my username, how many followers I have, stories, spotlights, insights. You can always hit edit here if you wanted to edit your bio, add a location, your subscriber account, change your profile image, all of those different things. You can do that now that you have this public profile. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.